Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix can't change desktop background wallpaper on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select optimize visual display. In here you just need to scroll down and find remove background images. You just need to uncheck this box guys. After that select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window you just need to type a percentage update or percentage again, click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find Microsoft folder, just double click on it. Now find Windows folder, double click on it. Now find themes folder, double click on it. Right click on the transcoded wallpaper and select rename option and type at the end of the name you just need to type dot old and press enter. And now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.